Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Box for secure file storage step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Box website at box.com. If you don't have an account, click on Sign Up in the top right corner. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once your account is confirmed, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to your Box dashboard. To upload files, click on the Upload button located at the top of the screen. Choose whether to upload a single file or a whole folder. Select the files or folders you want to upload from your device. Once you've made your selection, click on Open to start the upload process. You will see a progress bar indicating the upload status. After the upload is complete, your files will appear in your Box dashboard. To organize your files, create folders by clicking on the New button and then selecting Folder. Name your folder and click Create. To move files into the new folder, drag and drop them or right-click on the files and select Move. Next, set the access permissions for your files. Right-click on the file or folder and select Share. You can then invite users by entering their email addresses. Choose whether they can view, edit, or manage the files. To enhance security, enable two-factor authentication in your account settings. This will add an extra layer of protection to your files. Additionally, consider using the Box encryption options for sensitive data. For further collaboration, utilize the comments feature on shared files. Click on the file you wish to comment on, and use the comments section at the right. You can tag users in comments by typing it followed by their name. Regularly update your file storage practices to ensure continued security. To access Box on the go, download the Box app from your mobile device's App Store. Log in with your credentials to access your files anywhere, anytime. By following these steps, you can effectively use Box for secure file storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.